Hey, it's at Real Life Linear. So, welcome to my channel and my bedroom. I wanted to unbox my FabFitFun Starter Box with you guys. I got this box for free as a referral from Maurice. So, thank you so much, Maurice. The box was free, like I said. All I had to pay was the shipping from FabFitFun to my Aramix Global Shopper address in New York City, and I think that was $3 if I'm not mistaken. And then of course I had to pay the Aramix Global shipping costs from America to South Africa, and that was about 250 Rand based on the weight of the box. So firstly, FabFitFun is a subscription based product, and you subscribe to a quarterly or seasonal box. This box in specific is a starter box, and I think it's a generic box for everyone that they send out because I don't think these products are season specific. Actually, I would say they're pretty summery, and in America it's winter right now. So in the box, I got 4 items, full-sized items, luxury items that retail from about $16 to $54, and yeah, it's like luxury products. So like I said, I think the subscription is $50, and you get the box every quarter, so every season, or there's an annual box that you can get, and then there's also a VIP editor's box that costs a lot more, but the value of the items that you're getting far outweigh the cost of the subscription. So let's get started. Firstly, I noticed this beach grass Beyond Cleansing Body Wash infused buffer. So this buffer is infused with body wash already. It's kind of hard, but when you wet it, it softens up, and it has the soap in it. It smells divine. I'm not sure how long it will last you, like if you use it once, does the soap wash out and that's it? I'm not sure, but it's a nice idea. And this retails for $16, so I'm guessing it's a once-off. Then they give you a set of 5 hyaluronic acid black eye patches, eye masks, and that's pretty luxurious. You can see from the packaging that it's nice. That retails for $29. And then there's this special size limited edition Ahaha Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. I'm most excited about this. This retails for $33. And then last but not least, there's the Summer and Rose Tote summer bag. It's got a zip, a leather strap, and some compartments inside. It's really nice for the beach, or even just when you go shopping and you know you're going to buy a whole lot of goodies and stuff it in there. So yeah, that is the items that I got in my starter box, FabFitFun Starter Box. If you want to find out more information, go to www.fabfitfun.com. Check out all the subscription options and let me know what you think, if you like it or not. Cheers!